Hey YouTube, it's Classical Graphics here. I'm O'Toons, and I am one of the founders of Classical Graphics. Now, in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make your very own intro in Blender. Okay, so right now I have my videos library open, and I'm gonna show you my intro that I made in Blender. It's pretty simple, but it's pretty cool. And you could use Windows Live Movie Maker to add some videos. And I just put random stuff like PPPPPP, something like that. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do first is you're gonna want to go move your mouse onto this cube, and you're gonna press X, delete. Once you've done that, you're gonna press 7, and you're gonna zoom in a little bit and press Control Alt 0, which sets your camera. After you do that, you're gonna want to go about to the middle. It doesn't really matter. You're gonna press Shift A, go down to text, and as you can see, you have your text right there. Now, your text is in object mode. You could tell by looking down here or seeing the orange around the text. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna press on object mode down here and press edit mode, which makes it able to be edited. So once you backspace all of them, you're gonna go up to this tab right here, and you're gonna go where it says F. Then once you do that, you're gonna want to go all the way down to where it says font and choose a different font. Now for this, I'm gonna choose I'll choose Adro, just because it's like pretty cool. I like it. And I'm just gonna put intro. Now after you do that, you're gonna want to make it 3D. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go down in geometry. It says EXTRU, which stands for extrusion. You're gonna backspace it. Just press on it, then backspace it. Put 0.05. Now I always use that one. You could use anything higher, anything lower. It's really up to you. But I recommend 0.05, and you're gonna go to where it says depth, and then once you click on it, it's gonna change to bevel, and you're gonna put 0.036, which makes it look pretty cool. You could use something more, something less, and you're not gonna change offset or resolution. I wouldn't recommend that. So next, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to change the color of this. So you're gonna go into up here next to the font where it says F. You're gonna go to material, and you're gonna press add new, and it should already be in edit mode and ready for you to use. So you're just gonna change this to the color you want. I'm gonna do a kind of cyan color, make it pretty bright, and then I'm gonna go down. I recommend doing this in the mirror. It doesn't really change that much things, but you're gonna go check mirror, and you're gonna press 0.1, which just gives it a little reflection or a little kind of shine onto it. And then you're just gonna want to go back up. As you can see, it looks. As you can see, it looks. Sorry about that. As you can see, it looks a little bit lighter, so you could change that to 0.2, but I recommend leaving it at that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to object mode, and you're gonna move it to the side, to the middle, which makes it just like in the middle. Okay, so once you have that, it's just having a good perspective. Okay, you're gonna set your keyframe first anywhere you want. You can make it go out this way. Make sure it's on 0, so either make it come out this way so it could come like this, or make it go out this way so it could come in like this, or this way like this, or you get the point. Okay, so what I'm gonna want you to do is I'm gonna move it this way, and I'm gonna set a keyframe, which means I'm gonna press I, location, and this is just gonna be very simple. Then I'm just gonna move it into the middle, and I'm gonna press I, location. Oops, sorry, I totally messed up. Okay, don't make the mistake that I did. Okay, you're gonna go to about 20, and then you're gonna move it in. Then press to like about to the middle. You don't have to press I location, and then you're just gonna want to do whatever you want with it. Just mess around as much as you want. I'm just gonna do what I usually do with them. I'm just gonna like make this look like it's like popping out, like a cool effect, and then it's just gonna pop out. Press I location, and then make it go down. You're gonna go up like that, and as you can see, like you're just gonna make it where you thought it was. Okay, once you do that, oh yeah, change the keyframe. It's probably gonna go back. Yeah, you're just gonna make it smaller again. Sorry about that. Okay, once you have it smaller, then you're gonna press I location, and after that you're gonna go about 10 more up the keyframe, and you're gonna go all the way out. Press I location. Then right here where it says start and end, you're gonna go to the end button and give it at least 10 to 5 keyframes, 5 to 10 keyframes to just rest. So I'm gonna put 60. As you can see right here, that's where it ends, 60, and I'm just gonna see it cuts all of that off. So now I'm just gonna play it from the beginning and see how it looks. Okay, so that looks pretty cool. Now right now I'm just doing what I did with the other one, crazy, except I'm just changing the text and the color and the font. It's not really any different. So once you have everything done, go back to 0, and you're gonna want to go up here to where it shows that camera, and you're gonna go down all the way down to where it says PNG. You're gonna change the PNG to an AVI RAW, or a an AVI RAW, or a MPEG, which is right here. But I would rather have an AVI RAW because most programs let it use AVI RAW. And you're gonna go right here where it says TMP. You're gonna press press the file button and just save it wherever you want. I'm gonna save it in E. Then just gonna save it, and I'm gonna save it as just part 9. I just like putting part 9. I didn't do it for that. I don't know why. Okay, once you do that, you press accept, and then once you have all that done, you're gonna go up here to where it says render, and you're gonna press animation. So now it renders the whole thing out. Now it's starting to render. So I'll come back in a little bit. Okay, so now it is fully rendered. You could tell because I stopped it at frame 60, and it says up here frame 60. I did forget to tell you something, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah, but what you're gonna want to do first is you're gonna want to add a plane. To do that, all you're gonna need to do is you're just gonna add you're just gonna do Shift A and then go to Mesh, Plane, and then you're just gonna press S and then make it big or small. Now I'm just gonna delete that because I don't really need it. I already made the intro, but this is what the intro looks like with the white grayish background. Yeah, so right now it looks like that. It's gonna look a lot cooler if you put a black background. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, guys.